So yummy.
Ryan, can I have some? I forgot my snacks.
No, I'm still hungry. Buy your own. I guess I was just stupid. Hey Leon, I'm sorry. Please share this. I brought some anyway.
Really? Thank you, Ryan.
Learn to share and be kind to others.
Look at the one shoes. It's so dirty and old.
Yeah, so are those from the garbage?
Mitch, Vince, that's not respectful. How would you feel if someone did that to you?
Sorry, Juan. We were just joking.
Yeah, we're sorry.
It's okay. I'll never do that again. Friends. Friends. Look at the answer. I think it's very wrong.
Maybe mine too.
Just keep quiet. You're passing the rest of the test.
But we're already done.
Even if you are done, others are not disrespected.
Fine.
Vince, respect is important. If you are still answering, you'd like others to be noisy.
No, sir. I'm sorry. I'll be quiet.
Good. Thank you for understanding.
Show respect by staying quiet and thinking of others.
Ryan,
Ma'am?
did you copy your classmates' assignment?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure? The answers are exactly the same.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I did. It's because I can understand the questions.
Thank you for being honest. Next time, ask for help.
I will, ma'am. I really want to learn.
Just be honest and ask for help when needed.
Hey, Leon, wait! Hey, do you need help? Let me help you. Go.
Thank you.
Why did you help?
Because it's the right thing to do.
I guess I should help next time too.
Always help others when you can.
Can I buy one? 2 pieces.
Wait, miss. I give you 50, but give me 50 pesos. My change is only 20 pesos.
Oh, God bless you, Apo. How was your school?
It was fun, Lolo. We learned about kindness today.
That's good to hear. Always respect others, just like how you respect me.
I'm sorry, Angela, I didn't see you.
It's okay, Ryan. Thank you for saying sorry.
It may help you pick up your things.
You are so kind. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The class dismissed. I need someone to keep this assertion safe that I trust.
I can, sir.
Thank you, Mitch. You are trustworthy.
Mitch, let's sit down, sir. Just wait.
Sorry, Leo. I promise to, sir. I won't show it.
Okay, you're really honest.
You look tired, Zara. Did you eat already?
Not yet, Papa. I had so much schoolwork today.
Come, I made your favorite food. Let's eat together.
Thank you, Papa. You always take care of me.
Of course, because I love you.
I love you too.
I have two biscuits. Guys, I don't have snacks. Don't worry, let's share mine. Really? Did you show? Friends share, right? You are such a good friend. Okay, class, work together to make a poster. So let's all share ideas. I can draw.
I can write the words.
I'll go. This is a great group. We support everyone.
Teamwork makes the dream work.